morning, everybody! Today, I will be showing you how to make breakfast using 5 simple techniques. Now come and join me to make breakfast. First, cut the garlic and the onions like this. Now, peel the garlic like this. Now crack the egg. Ooh, ew. Now beat the eggs like this. And slice the hot dogs like this. For our side dish, we will have this healthy cucumber. And we will pair it like this. Now let us boil the ginger tea because it is healthy. While waiting for our ginger tea to boil, we'll fry our sunny side up. And crack the egg like this. See if the ginger tea is boiling.